This is going to be very simple. You can subscribe to my channel so that you can get more short content that's going to help you to know how to operate your phone better, use social media, record classes, and you want to learn how to do a screen record on your Android phone. It's very easy, and that's what I'm doing now. So what you do is you slide down, you will see many tabs on your phone. So you slide, you have to look for screen record. This is where it is. So because I am doing it at the moment, if I click on it, it's going to turn off. So it turned off earlier, that's why I have to start recording again. So you will see it will open for you voice recording, voice record, no audio. So you have to click on audio so that it can record the sound. If you don't want it to record the sound, you will click for it not to record the sound. So it's very easy to do that. So you have all you need that way for recording your screen. So this is my screen. This is what I have to show you. Let's say you want to do a tutorial, you want to record any video for somebody. That is the easy step to take on your phone.